Juju Emeka. If this is your first time of seeing my beautiful face or tuning into my channel, you are highly welcome. Please don't hesitate to subscribe and to click on the notification button so you'll be the first person to get notified when I upload my new videos. And for those of you, my JV lovers, thank you for keeping up with me. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. May God bless you all in Jesus' name. Amen. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I revive a old tangled deep coiling hair a client gave to me. She has had this hair for like 5 years and the hair was tangled. She did not know what to do with the hair, so I asked her to bring the hair for me to make a wig for her. So that is what I'll be showcasing today. With the help of my shea butter, UJV shea butter, I was able to revive the hair with conditioner and shampoo, you know. So in this video, I'll be showing you how I revive this hair to a brand new wig. So keep up with me to enjoy the video. But for those of you that don't know, I have a website, ujvbeauty.com, where I sell wig and I make wig as well. So all my hairs there, all my wigs, they are 100% handmade wig. And for those of you that have old hairs that maybe weave that you don't know what to do with it, send it to me and I will change your old tangled hair to a brand new wig for you. But I don't know, maybe you're living far, it will be too expensive for you to send the hair for me. But for those of you that live maybe between Europe, Germany, you can send any of your old tangled hair and I will turn it to a brand new wig for you. So keep up with me in this video to see how I revive this old hair. My beautiful UGB lovers, I hope you enjoyed this video and you saw how I was able to revive this old tangled hair to a brand new hair. So for those of you that have this tangled hair or used hair that you want to revive to a brand new hair, kindly ship it to me, send it to me, and I will make your dream come true. Thank you once more for watching. For those of you that haven't subscribed and you're watching our video, please kindly do, and don't forget to click on the notification button so you'll be the first person to get notified when I upload my new video. Thank you once more for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.